So today is the day I get to tell my husband where he is going for his birthday. Are you ready, Marcus?
Yes.
Are you ready to tell Daddy where he's going for his birthday? He has no idea, but I do. Sneak peek. So exciting. Well, you guys already know. So after weeks of hints and weeks of anticipation, especially on my part, I finally get to telling him where we are going. Are you ready?
What's that?
Are you ready?
Let me see this. Or are you just telling me verbally?
No.
New Orleans. It says New Orleans Plus. I'm confused. This is not.
Don't be confused.
What does it mean?
I don't know.
What does it mean?
You just have to wait till we get to where.
But now it only says. This still does not help me.
Well, I don't think I like this reaction.
Ones had a car, a plane, a ferry, or whatever that's supposed to be. Boat, ship. I guess I never considered that to be a ship.
Aren't you excited we're going to New Orleans?
Well, I was right about that.
Yay! Going to New Orleans. Are you excited?
Yeah.
This is not the reaction I was hoping for.
Because
Whatsoever.
I can't be. Tell me
So
where we're going.
I just did. We're going to New Orleans.
What's the plus sign?
Don't worry about all that. It's activities that I have planned. I still want those to be, you know, I'm extra, you know, it's just.
What was the ship for? Or the ferry?
To throw you off.
What was the plane? What? I'm confused. So, is there a
We're-
car involved?
Well, that's how we're getting back.
Oh.
Ah.
Cool.
Can you show me your excited face and dance?
And dance. Yeah, express it.
Thank you, Caleb. So exciting. We just made it through security. Now we're on our way to the gate and we are really early for our flight. It's 4:19. We don't start boarding until 4:55. Anyone that knows me knows I always get there at the last minute, but today didn't want to do that and we are early. I'm so excited because he still has no idea everything else we're doing, but where are we going?
New Orleans.
Yay! So we have just made it to New Orleans and just made it in our Airbnb. This is our very first time staying in an Airbnb and I love it already. I chose to do a private room. It's like a guest master suite instead of like an entire apartment or entire house, only because I wanted to be kind of close to the French Quarter and it was just the prices I wasn't, you know, looking forward to or interested in paying like too much. So this worked out for us and I want to show you around it because it is great. So this is what we see when we walk in. This is the bathroom. So nice. I mean, he even thought about the ladies and has a makeup towel. Like, come on. It's got lotion. It's so nice. Like, so nice. Look at that. Shower caps. He's thought of everything, yo. And look at this right here. DIY project coming soon. Like, I could totally make these out of Dollar Tree products. Then across from the bathroom is like a closet where you can put all your bags. He has robes. That's awesome. Then you walk in here and it is just so pretty. Like, the design aesthetic in here, I love. It just goes so well with what New Orleans feel is, the vibe, especially this side of the room. I mean, he's just got everything that you would feel New Orleans needs to have. Now we are just going to decompress for a second, charge up whatever we need to charge up, and head out to the French Quarter. See you there. And Marcus gets his first surprise here. His very first surprise. His best friend and his best friend's wife is here. He has no idea. These people are blocking us. I'm so excited. They're taking forever. They gotta get my blow away. Come on. Come on. What? 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 Excuse me.
What are you doing here?
What? What? Alright, so one more surprise. It's a shirt. We're going on a cruise tomorrow. What does this say? What does it say? What does it say? I can't let the name even start. I was gonna tell you when we got situated, but I need to let it out.
No, he had no clue.
I'm surprised nobody said anything except for our Lyft driver. She's the only one that guessed it.
Oh, you saw that shit?
No, she just was like, "Hey, y'all going on a cruise?" I said, "Nah."
Yeah, but I didn't think we're. Are you?
We're going on a cruise.
Yeah, all of us.
All of us.
I can tell you. I'm not gonna tell you. It's a surprise. You know, really long time.
Months.
Like before the wedding, right?
Yep.
Before the wedding.
Before the wedding.
7 days.
This is, we're using this as our honeymoon.
Your lady? Your wedding? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, my head up there.
Are you excited?
Yeah. He's speechless. I don't know what to think.
How do you feel?
I don't know.
Like you won the lottery in the wife department.
Excited
Better have.
but confused at the same time.
Excited but confused. Why are you confused? It's all come together.
Because it's all come together, but it's like totally left of everything that in no way did I think it was a cruise. Even when you showed me those little boarding passes, I thought that was a ferry.
That was a fair. She gave me the idea actually for the boarding
I thought it was like
pass.
Savannah. I thought it was a ferry. Like
A ferry to where?
I said, like in Savannah.
Around like the bay? Okay, so we're leaving tomorrow. We're going to Mexico, Cozumel. We've been there already. And we're going to Belize, Honduras, and Costa Maya, Mexico. We've never been there, but I hear it's very pretty. And we've got excursions. Well, one.
Fantastic.
And beach days planned.
Ooh. How'd you hide all this from them?
Huh?
How'd you hide all of it?
Because I'm that. So we just got back to our Airbnb from the French Quarter and Bourbon Street, and we had so much fun. But we are early birds these days. We are parents of 2 little boys, so we had to turn it in a little bit earlier than most people would probably say they hung out. We got here probably about, what, 11:45? Yeah, I think it was 11:45 when our Lyft driver dropped us off. Speaking of our Lyft driver, she was a different person. Hoover Go-Go Bus. But we had so much fun, and I can't wait to come back again when we have just a few more days to explore and take our time to try different cuisines and just kind of pig out a little bit. We went to, what was it? Oceana Grill. It was okay. They had really good reviews. Marcus's best friend recommended it. It was 50-50. It wasn't like, I guess it didn't live up to his hype, if that makes any sense. To TJ's hype.
It was alright.
Yeah, it was alright. So yeah, we decided to come back a little bit earlier instead of closing down Bourbon Street because we were more enticed about getting more sleep and catching up on rest than anything else. I'm so excited to see how it feels to sleep through a whole night. And even more than that, 7 whole nights to come. So we're going to turn it in, watch a movie. Our Airbnb host has Netflix. I'm sure like everybody does. So we're going to watch Money Talks and just catch some Z's. And we'll see you in the morning for a cruise day. Woo! Oh, and Marcus was so surprised. Obviously, because I showed you. I'm pretty sure I showed you. He's so surprised. It was so cute, and I'm so excited. And he hasn't been able to stop talking about how I bamboozled him.
She bamboozled me.
He'd be all right.